There are hundreds of toilet cleaning hacks on the internet. Aluminum foil balls in your tank, Kool-Aid powder in the bowl, WD-40 on the ceramic. And millions of people are trying them, filming them, and sharing them, which makes them look like they work. Most of them do not. Some of them actively damage your toilet. I am going to save you the time, the mess, and in some cases the repair bill. 5 hacks you need to stop doing. 4 that genuinely work, and the reason why they work, because once you understand that, you will never waste money on overpriced toilet products again. Let us start with what does not work. First up, the aluminum foil ball in the toilet tank. This hack exploded on TikTok with promises to reduce leaks, prevent rust, and even clean the bowl. The idea sounds clever. Drop a crumpled ball of foil in the tank, and it supposedly works like a sacrificial anode, magically dissolving mineral deposits and keeping everything spotless. But here's the reality. In cold, still water, aluminum foil barely reacts at all. There is no electric circuit, no meaningful chemical reaction, and no cleaning effect. What actually happens is that the foil just sits there slowly collecting grime. Over time, bits of foil can break off and clog fill valves or jets, leading to weak flushes and phantom leaks. Professional plumbers have issued warnings after seeing tanks with foil balls and damaged flappers. Manufacturers like Kohler and American Standard are explicit. Any foreign object in the tank, including foil, voids your warranty. If a flapper fails because of this trick, you are looking at least $25 for parts and your own time, or a much higher bill for a service call. There is no science behind the foil ball hack, just a risk of clogging, corrosion, and a denied warranty claim. Skip it and stick to cleaning methods that actually address mineral buildup and bacterial growth. Next, those in tank bleach and colored tablets, often sold as a shortcut to a sparkling bowl. The claim is simple. Drop a tablet into the tank, and every flush delivers a dose of disinfectant and dye, keeping the bowl clean and fresh. It is easy to see the appeal, especially with the satisfying swirl of blue or pink water. But the chemistry behind these tablets is where the trouble starts. Bleach, or sodium hypochlorite, is a powerful oxidizer. When it sits in the tank, it does not just target bacteria, it also attacks rubber and plastic parts like flappers, gaskets, and fill valves. Over weeks or months, these parts soften, crack, and lose their seal, leading to slow leaks and running toilets. Manufacturers like Kohler and American Standard are clear. Using in tank cleaners voids your warranty. Plumbers routinely find degraded flappers after tablet use. And the repair is not just about replacing a $5 part. Water loss from a running toilet can spike your bill by over $100 in a single month, and a professional repair can cost $180 or more. The colored dyes and gel from some tablets can also clog rim jets, leaving unsightly residue and reducing flush power. While bleach is great for disinfecting hard surfaces, its constant exposure inside the tank is a recipe for premature failure. Skip the tablets and use bowl-only cleaners or manual scrubbing to avoid a cascade of repairs and wasted water. Number 3. WD-40 sprayed inside the toilet tank. The pitch is bold. A quick shot of WD-40 promises to melt away limescale and leave the tank spotless. It is easy to see why this hack went viral. The WD-40 brand is trusted for loosening stuck bolts and silencing squeaky hinges, so it feels like a secret weapon for stubborn mineral stains. But the reality inside a toilet tank is very different. WD-40 is a petroleum-based solvent loaded with hydrocarbons that do not just target stains, they also attack the rubber and silicone parts that keep your toilet working. Over time, these chemicals soften and swell the flapper and seals, leading to cracks, leaks, and a running toilet. An oily film left behind coats the inside of the tank, attracting grime and even encouraging bacteria to stick around longer. Manufacturers like Kohler and American Standard are clear. Using any kind of solvent or in-tank cleaner voids your warranty. Plumbers have reported repair bills topping $200 after a homeowner tried this hack and ended up with a brittle, leaking flapper. And while WD-40 might temporarily loosen a mineral ring, it does nothing to kill bacteria or dissolve the limescale that causes most toilet stains. The risk is not just wasted money, it is a messier, more expensive repair down the line, and possibly a call to a plumber. Save the WD-40 for your garage. For toilets, stick to cleaners designed for porcelain and rubber, and avoid introducing anything oily or solvent-based into the tank. Across all these hacks, one truth stands out. Real cleaning comes from chemistry, not gimmicks. Skip the theater and protect your toilet, your wallet, and your time. Smarter cleaning starts here.